Welcome back to the channel. It's Monday evening at Hertz, Toronto Pearson Airport, and we got some more news here. Looks like they've got the first Model Y in Canada up for rent with the bow on it here. First one I've seen. I'm guessing this is probably brand new. This is definitely worth a walk around. Oh, we got a peek there, President Circle, you can see. Yeah, very nice. And somebody's starting out with a 5-liter Mustang while we're looking at this Tesla here. There's another 5-liter Mustang here for premium upgrades. My favorite color, black. Is that another Model 3 available for upgrade? And let's take a quick walk over here, President Circle. We got a Toyota Camry on this side here. Infiniti Q50, looks like that Malibu's out of service. These Infinitis have a fair amount of mileage on them. Got a Dodge Charger with a sunroof, GT. These folks are taking one of the two Ford Escapes. And we got a Kia SUV. And then here we're crossing the line into 5-star. So we've got a couple smaller sedans, smaller SUVs. We got a Corolla. We got a red Kia, Kona, Mazda, is that a CX-3 maybe? Corolla, two of those Kia SUVs here. And everything beyond further down here is reserve. So we got a minivan, this is all reserve. Prius on the other side here. Model 3, 300. A bunch of smaller cars, minivan, Buick SUV down at the end. At 300. And we'll go over to gold. Got a smaller Kia, a bunch of Corollas over there. Oh boy, lots of Corollas. And yeah, a couple more Corollas over here. And we got a compact Honda. A couple more Corollas, and let's just do a quick walk through the reserve section over here. So we got a Volvo and Explorer in the distance. Another Pacifica. So it looks like there might be more Model Ys down here. Let's take a little walk down. Okay, just around 4 on that side, yeah. Okay, so there's another one. There's a 3. Well, there's a good comparison. You can see the two side by side. Yeah, okay. Well, that's great news to see them here in Canada. So there you got the 3, and there you got the Y. And I'll just walk through the rest of the reserve here, and I think we'll probably wrap things up. Okay, we got another Pacifica here. That might be a Qashqai, that Nissan Corolla. Got a 5-liter Mustang convertible, I think, yes. Got one of these Ford Expeditions. And another Model Y. Great. And we got a Pathfinder, yeah. CX-9, Toyota Sienna minivan, Model 3, another Expedition. I'm trying to remember where I left off. I think actually we can leave things off here at the Volvo. Let me see if I can, where's the closest Model Y? Okay, I might be back. Hang on a sec here. I'm going to see if I can get inside one of these Model Ys. Okay, we're in luck. One of them is open. So you guys have a quick peek inside here. Oh yeah, it's definitely got the new car smell. Wow, that looks awesome. Probably can't really tell on film. Oh, nice glass roof, and then it folds down. Oh yeah, lots of room. Okay, this is actually the first time I've seen inside one of them. Lots of room inside there. Let me actually go wide angle and see if that... Can't do that while I'm recording. Okay, here's a very quick peek. I'll have to run one of these sometime and give you a better view of that. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead, click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Give this video a quick like if you want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.